YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So happy Sunday. So today I'm gonna unbox this. My wife got this from Express Factory Outlet at there's a premium outlet store. So I don't even know what kind of outfit that she got. So anyway, I'm just gonna unbox this for you guys, and then let's go check it out, guys. Oh, girls. So this one is the ankle legging mid-rise size 10. And this is from Express. So it says Express jeans. It says retail is $68.95. But normally that's not the price that we pay at the outlet store. So and I don't even know what she pays. So anyway, just gonna unbox this. This is like a rib mid-rise jeans. And you got your front left pocket. And you got a zipper right in the middle. So this one is not buttoned up. And you got the right pocket. It's kind of shallow, okay? It's not too deep. And you got your coin pocket right here. So this one, there's no rivet, okay, like the Levi's. And you got your left and right hand rear pocket right here. All right, so let's jump on to the next item. Next item would be, wow, this one is shorts, I guess. So this one is shorts. This is the low rise midi, size 12. And it says Express. It says retail price is $54.95. I know she didn't pay that because everything was on sale and everything. So you got a little bit of there's a hook right here, triple hooks. Instead of the button, you got a triple hook, and then it has a zipper. And then there's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the belt loop. And here is the right hand pocket, the front pocket, and then the left hand pocket right here. And then on the back you got your left and right pocket. Is it a working pocket? Oh my god. So it is not a pocket, it's just for looks. because I was looking at the inside, you just have this fabric right here. Just a design, so it's not a working pocket on the back. Okay. Then this is the third item right here. This is like what is this? $36.95. Express size large. Wow, pretty nice looking blouse or top. Has this nice gold zipper. Oh, too bad it doesn't say Express on here, but anyway. So this is a working zipper. I thought just for look. So, and as you can see, it is pretty thin material. I think it's like polyester. And this is made in Indonesia. Sure, what kind of material is this? So 96% polyester and 4% spandex. There you go. So this is the third item. Let's go ahead and then move on to the next one. Okay. This one is size medium, $24.95 retail price. So this is Express, made there in what is it? Guatemala. So this is a V neck. Okay. 这个 purple tee. So this is 50% cotton, 50% polyester. So on the back there's nothing, okay? So let's jump into the last item for the Express. So basically it's the same t-shirt, just a different color. Oh, I'm sorry, I think I got the country wrong. Made in Bangladesh. So this is the hang tag, just in case you need a barcode. Because sometimes the viewers are asking me about what kind of style and stuff like that. Here is the style number, and then retail was like $22.95. So again, this is a pretty thin and soft material fabric, and pretty stretchy. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification. And please share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments on below. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. And happy Sunday, guys. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.